So now let's see how we can go ahead and adjust out audio settings inside a VLC player. So over here I have VLC player, and now I'm going to go ahead and bring in this audio and then play it out. Let's say for instance. Then the audio sounds in a particular way. So let's say what I want to do now is change out how the audio sounds. In that case, you can go around over here onto the tools and then go to effects and filters. And over here, you can see audio effects right here. You can go ahead and change around the equalizer to enable, and then you can go ahead and choose drawer pass as well. And there are different settings that you can enable to change out how your audio sounds. So as I were to play it, I'm going to go ahead and change it out, and you will be able to hear the difference. And you can hear out the differences accordingly. So you can also see that there's like presets that you can actually choose right here. And so forth, and you will be able to go ahead and change the audio settings right there and change around how the audio actually sounds. So that is how you can go ahead and then adjust out the audio settings as needed inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.